Motorbike insurance versus off-road versus electric versus commuter. Which one is better for eco-conscious adventure riders? If you love riding and care about the environment, choosing the right motorbike insurance is more important than most people realize. Different types of policies cater to specific riding styles, and getting the wrong one could leave you underinsured or paying too much. Let's explore off-road, electric, and commuter insurance to see which fits eco-conscious adventure riders best. Off-road insurance is designed for riders who take their bikes on trails, dirt tracks, or adventure parks. Standard policies often exclude this kind of use, so off-road coverage ensures accidents, equipment damage, and liability are protected even off the pavement. If your adventures are rugged and unpredictable, this type is essential. Electric motorbike insurance is tailored for eco-friendly riders. Insurers consider factors like battery value, charging equipment, and lower accident risk due to reduced speeds in city settings. Premiums can be lower than traditional bikes, and coverage often includes protection against battery failure or theft. It's perfect for riders who want sustainability without compromising security. Commuter insurance is aimed at daily riders covering travel to work, errands, or school. It typically includes comprehensive protection against accidents, theft, and third-party liability. If you use your bike regularly for everyday life, this insurance balances cost and coverage efficiently. So, which is better for eco-conscious adventure riders? The answer depends on your riding habits. Off-road insurance is best for thrill seekers exploring trails, electric insurance suits environmentally minded city riders, and commuter insurance works for daily use. Some riders combine policies if they alternate between commuting and weekend adventures. Ultimately, the right insurance ensures your adventures are safe, sustainable, and worry-free. With proper coverage, you can enjoy every ride knowing both your bike and your environmental values are protected.